Ever wonder why giant airplanes don't just, fall out of the sky? Let's figure it out.
You've probably looked up and thought, how does that thing stay up there? It's not just about big engines. Okay, so it all comes down to 4 invisible forces that are always pushing and pulling on the plane.
To fly, lift has to be stronger than weight, and thrust has to be drag. Simple as that.
But just getting off the ground? That's actually not the hardest part of the story.
The real secret is something called stability. That's what keeps the flight smooth and steady.
Basically, if wind knocks the plane around, its own shape helps it get straight again. Pretty cool, right?
So how do they build that in? Well, it's not magic, it's just really clever design.
The whole trick is putting the balance point just ahead of the lifting point. That's the secret sauce.
And the tail is super important for this. Think of it like the feathers on an arrow.
If the plane's nose points up too high, the tail automatically pushes it back down.
And if the nose dips down, you guessed it, the tail lifts it right back up.
So you see, all these parts are working together. It's a perfectly engineered balancing act.
So a plane isn't just hanging out up there. It's constantly making tiny fixes to stay level.
This perfect balance is what makes flying so incredibly safe. So, what do you think they'll invent next?